Hello everyone, welcome back to AwesomeAni, and in this video we are going to be discussing proportions. So proportions are these kind of problems where you have two fractions, but you have to solve for a missing part of the fraction. It's either the numerator or the denominator. So if you don't already know, the numerator is the top here and the denominator is the bottom number. So I'll just put numerator and denominator. So, let me make that smaller. Numerator, and then this one over here is denominator. Okay. So now, how are we supposed to solve for x in this problem? So you might say, oh, that's impossible because you have to know what x is. But no, there is a way to solve for it. So in this case here, we have 8 over 4 equals x over 8. And so the way we can solve here is we have to find the side where both of the numbers are we have to find either the numerator or the denominator where there is no variable, just numbers. So that's right here, right? And we see that 4 we multiply by 2 to get to 8. And then if we multiply by 2 over here as well, it should still be the same equivalent fraction. So if we multiply 8 by 2, we get x equals 16. And 16 divided by 8 is 2, and so is 8 divided by 4. And the reason for that is because when we multiply by 2 divided by 2, that's 2 divided by 2 is the same thing as 1. And whenever you multiply anything by 1, it's the same thing. So that's how we solve that one. But now let's try doing a different one here. So here we have 8 divided by 4 equals x divided by 3. But if you see here, we can't really multiply like a whole number that can be multiplied to get from 4 to 3. You would have to multiply by some decimal. But there's a different way we can do it. We can do something called like diagonal pairing. And basically what we can do is you form two diagonals here, one with the denominator, left-hand denominator, and the right-hand numerator, and one with the left numerator and the other denominator. And what this gives us is, so if we multiply here, so we just put multiplication here. 4 times x is 4x. And this is 4 is the coefficient and x is the variable. If you don't know what coefficient and variable is yet, go watch my multi-step equations video and there you'll get a better understanding. Equals 24, and this is a simple equation, and you just divide by 4 on both sides and you get x equals 6. Oops. We'll divide it by 4, and then that equals 6 equals x. So, and this also works because 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 6 divided by 3 is 2 as well. X equals 6. Okay, now let's do this last one here. Not the last one, but another one here. So 9 divided by x equals 27 divided by 9. So we'll do the same thing we did in this problem because we see that 9 times 3 equals 27. Equals 27. So, but we know that 9 times 3 is 27, so x times 3 equals 9. So to find out what x is, we can also say here we go and we erase the multiplication sign and we put it as a division sign instead. So, a division sign. We divide by 3 to get from 27 to 9. And if we do the same thing here, we get divided by 3, divided by 3, and we get x equals to 3. And we can confirm this is correct because 9 divided by 3 is 3, and 27 divided by 9 is 3 as well. Okay, now let's do this last problem here. So 7 divided by 8 equals x over 56. So so now let's solve it. We know we can solve it the way we did for these two problems, but to get some practice, let's do the diagonal way. So here and there. So we see that 8x equals 56 times 7 equals 56 times 7. So let's quickly let's do 56 times 7 over on the side here. 56 times 7, and we get 242, and then we multiply 7 times 5, which is 392. So 392 equals 8x. And now let's divide 392. And then we divide by 8. And so now when we do it here, we get 4 over here. And we'll get 32. 72, and that's 9. And then we can subtract 72, and then we get 0. Okay, so that means our answer is x equals 49. So x equals 49. And to confirm that this is correct, 7 divided by 8, so to prove we can't really do 7 divided by 8, but we can do 7 divided by 8, but let's just try using the other method to see what we get if we also get 49 as well. So when we multiply by 7, we get x times 8 times 7 is 56, and we also see that 7 times 7 is 49. So we can confirm that 49 is the correct answer. And yeah, so I think I'm going to wrap the video up here. Please subscribe to AwesomeAni and leave any video ideas in the comments below. Like this video. If you did subscribe and like, please put it in the comments saying like I subscribed. I'll try my best to respond to all of the comments that come like that. Thank you guys, and have a great day.